Hmm. Rates. Rates. Where are they going? Rates. Well, rates are going up. That's what they're doing. They're going up. It's a good thing in the long play, though, because inflation has to be curbed for all of us, right? But definitely rates are going up. But what's interesting is the house values continue to go up. So we're still seeing house values going up. So house values are still holding strong. People are still buying. It's still strong on that side of it, and rates are going up. So I know of a lot of people who have just 2 years ago told me I'm just going to wait and not buy, and they're now returning back and saying I need to buy because that same $200,000 house I was looking at is 300 now. So in the long play, real estate always ends up going up in the long play. So you don't want to overthink it too much if you're looking to get into it. But let's get into what we're talking about today is a rate update. Rates are going up, and we've seen them on like a steady incline. The Fed's continuing their commitment to raising rates, and that is to curb inflation, which is what should have been done 2 years ago, honestly, but it's being done. So now we're seeing some impact of that, and rates continue to go up. But we have seen equity still holding strong in homes. So we're seeing a lot of people that still want to consolidate debt. Rates are still lower than your credit cards and through some card loans. So therefore, people are looking to restructure debt using their equity in their home, capturing that equity that you have. The equity that you have in your house is cash that you can use. And unless you're using it to either buy or consolidate or something, it's just sitting there. It doesn't do much for you other than grow in equity. So it's just a way of looking at how you want to structure your debt. We do it all the time. Look at people's debt and try to figure out what's your best scenario to get you out of debt in the long play. So using debt to get out of debt is an interesting way of doing it, but we do it all the time, restructuring how your debt looks. Let's take a look just for fun. Let's just look at what the market's doing. So let's take a look. This is the mortgage-backed security market. And so you can see this trend right here. Hopefully you see my mouse going up and down. This trend right here means that rates are going up. In our mortgage-backed security world, this means up. So you can see we've just slowly been surely going. We had this one big move back in February 10th. That's when we, a little over a month ago, we had our first major move, and we recovered back a little bit. We almost actually got all the way back. And then war and all kinds of uncertainty. And so therefore we've seen a big trend this way. So, and we've been just steadily going this way. Rates aren't in a situation where we are higher than we were 2 years ago, 3 years ago. 2018, rates were even higher than they are now. So it's not that we're in a situation where rates are just astronomical. It's just that we got so used to seeing 1.5%, 1.75% advertised to you on a regular basis that is not there anymore. And so people are freaking out about it. But in reality, it's not the end of the world. And in reality, there's still a ton of buyer demand out there. We're seeing cash purchases sky high. I think they're 27% of the market. And we're seeing foreclosure activity almost is very, very low. And quite honestly, if you're going into foreclosure in this market, you should probably just sell your house instead of going into foreclosure, because more than likely you can sell it. So, and avoid that situation. So anyway, this is your quick down and dirty, up to date, what's going on with the market. But they definitely are going higher. If you want to take a look at your situation and figure out how your situation plays out, just reach out to me. We can run a side-by-side, take a look at all your debt and what you have and how we can restructure it, because it's not too late to jump in there and take a look at your equity position and being able to leverage that to be able to structure yourself in a better financial play. So anyway, if you're looking to do that, reach out, and we can get that taken care of as well. Same as purchase, we get everybody approved on the front end so we can get that done as quickly as possible and move forward. So anyway, have an awesome day. And if you're in Alachua today, go to Tony Now's today and have dinner because they are doing a spirit night for Alachua Learning Academy. So go there tonight and tell them you're there for the Alachua County, the Alachua Learning Academy Spirit Night, because they're donating money to help out that school. So Tony Now's tonight, get there, have dinner. It's awesome. You'll love it. If you're in Alachua, come on there. Tell them you're there for Alachua Learning Academy Spirit Night. And you guys have an awesome day.